Now we are going to discuss about unit 4 stability and compensator design. So stability is checked by Routh stability criteria. The condition for the stability, if the first column of Routh array elements are positive, mean that is the system is stable. If any one of the first column elements are negative, mean the system is unstable. If any one of row of Routh array elements are 0, if all the elements are 0, mean the system is limitedly or marginally stable. So we are going to solve one problem. First one, the construct Routh array and determine the stability of the system whose characteristics equation is s power 6, 2s power 5, 8s power 4, 12s cube plus 20s square plus 16s plus 16 equal to 0. So for this equation we are going to find the find the stability as well as the roots. So this is the this is a given characteristics equations. First you have to write the that is a s power value. First write the highest power. Here in this problem highest power is equal to s power 6. Then write s power 5, s power 4, s power 3, s power 2, s power 1, s power 0. Don't write s power 3 is one more time. I will explain later. So this is first you have to write s power 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then first row value and second row values is right from the given equations. For example, s power 6 represent even. Therefore, first you have to write the even coefficient value. This s power 6 coefficient value equal to 1 and 6 next value 4. Therefore, s power 4 coefficient value equal to 8. Then s square coefficient value equal to 20. Then you have to write the constant value also as a even value. Next s power 5, that is equal to odd function. So odd function mean from the equations s power 5 odd coefficient equal to 2. Next odd equal to 5 and next 3. 3 mean that is the s power 3 coefficient equal to 12. Similarly s coefficient equal to 16. You have to write in the second column. That's all. You know all the problem only you have to write the 2 row only. Remaining rows are determined by using some cross multiplication. So now s power 4 is determined by first you have to multiply this 2 is multiplied with the 8, then minus 12 into 1 divided by this same value, the first value is divided by the cross multiplication value. Second one, 2 is multiplied with the 20, then 1 is multiplied with the 16, minus 16 divided by 2. Then 2 is multiplied with the 16 and 1 is multiplied with the, here there is no term, therefore you have to write 0. So 2 into 16 divided by 2. So after the cross multiplication you have to solve the values. We will get s power 4 equal to 2, 12, 16. You have to write in the s4 row 2, 12, 16. Then you have to find the third row again the same. You multiply this value. Now you have to multiply. So this 2 is multiplied with 12, 16 and this 2 is multiplied with the 12. Next one is this 2 is multiplied with the 12. Therefore divided by 2. Already 12 into 2 24, 12 into 2 24, therefore equal to 0. Similarly this 2 is multiplied with the 16. This 2 is multiplied with the 16 divided by 16 divided by 2. So therefore we get the answer is equal to s power 3 value also equal to 0. So therefore from this problem the s power 3 rows values are 0. Now if all the elements in the third row are 0, mean choose the previous row value. Previous row is equal to s power 4, 2, 12, 16. this is s power 4. The coefficient of first one is the s power 4. Another one even coefficient 4 2. Then one is constant. Therefore 2 s power 4 12s cube plus 16s. You have to write in the fourth. You have to write. You have to write. You have to. You have to write 2s power 4 plus 12s cube 12s square plus 16s. Next, differentiate with respect to s. So 2s power 4 differentiate panna, that is equal to 8s cube, and this is equal to 2 into 12 24s. This is a constant, that is equal to 0. Therefore the coefficient of this is equal to s power 3 row values. So the coefficient of s power cube value equal to 8, and coefficient of s equal to 24. You have to write what that is a s power 3 value is all the values are 0 mean you have to choose the previous row value. From the previous value you have to find the same s power 3 row value. So the new value of row equal to 8 24. Now the cross multiplication 8 into 12 and 2 into 24, that is equal to here, that is 8 into 12 and minus 2 into 24. Similarly, and 16 8 into 16 8 into 16 minus 0 2, that is equal to divided by 8. Here this is multiplied with here, and this 2 here there is no 0 value, therefore I am putting 0 into 2. Therefore we solve this value, we get the s power 2 value equal to the 16. You have to substitute in this matrix, sorry, in this array, that is equal to s square 16. Again multiply the 6 into 24 and minus 8 into 16, we get the answer equal to 16 by 6. So that is equal to here 6 into 24 minus 8 into 16 divided by 16. Therefore we get the s power 1 row value equal to only one value, that is equal to 16 by 6. Next you have to multiply this 16 by 6 into 6 divided by minus 6 into 0. Okay, there is no value, divided by the same 16 by 6. So 16 into 16 by 6 minus 6 into 0 divided by 16 by 6. Therefore we will get the answer equal to 16. Therefore you have to put this in this row. Now check the first column value. This is the first column. Here there is no sign changes. If there is no sign changes mean that is equal to, that is a limitedly or marginally stable. Suppose here minus 2 is present mean this is the unstable. Okay, so and therefore this is the system is marginally and limitedly stable. Then sometimes they will asking the roots value. The roots value find out from the s power 4 row, that is equal to that is a equal to 0. From this value you have to find the s value. So before that here 2 s power 4, therefore you divide by 2, commonly you divide by 2. So therefore we get the s power 4 6 square plus 8. Next x square equal to x, therefore x square plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Then you have to solve this equation and then find if the roots values are x equal to minus 2 minus 4, then put x equal to minus 2, that is equal to s square. But thus s equal to plus or minus j root 2. Similarly s square equal to minus 4 mean s equal to plus or minus j root 2.